I'm not here to promote handouts or dependency. Hard work and self sufficiency matter. But life sometimes throws us into real binds: medical emergencies, job loss, or unexpected expenses. Having grown up watching my grandmother suffer because she couldn't afford treatment, I know how life changing a little extra help can be. And if you can harness legitimate, no strings attached aid to lift yourself up, I'm all for it. Today, we'll cover 16 platforms where generous individuals or organizations give away free money, no repayment required. 1. Beggingmoney.com. Beggingmoney.com lets you create a personal page explaining your urgent needs, bills, rent, medical costs, and ask the public for help. Single parents, families facing eviction, or anyone in crisis can outline their story and funding goal. Donors browse causes by category or location, then contribute directly through the platform. Setup takes under 5 minutes. Sign up, write your honest plea, set your target, and share your link on social media for maximum visibility. 2. Indiegogo. Indiegogo is a global crowdfunding site for creative and tech projects, but it also hosts personal campaigns. Entrepreneurs, artists, and anyone with a compelling idea or need can launch a fundraiser. You set a goal, describe your story, and offer perks like early access or branded merchandise to backers. Campaigns run flexible or fixed funding, and Indiegogo's large community of donors and innovators means high visibility for standout pitches. 3. Fundly. Fundly focuses on personal causes, disaster relief, memorials, community projects, or club activities. You create a campaign page with photos and videos, set a fundraising target, and tell your story. Donors can leave comments, share your link, and track progress in real time. Fundly's built-in social sharing tools help you reach friends, family, and beyond, boosting your chances of hitting your goal. 4. Just Giving. Just Giving is a global platform for charities and personal causes. Fundraisers range from earthquake relief to half marathons to buying a car for a medical need. You create a page, choose a charity or personal fundraiser, set a target, and share your link. Supporters donate online with a click, and Just Giving's gift aid features can increase UK-based donations by 25%. The site's trusted reputation attracts donors who want to give safely. 5. Patreon. Patreon helps creators, artists, podcasters, writers monetize ongoing work. You set up membership tiers from $1 to $50+ per month, each offering rewards, behind-the-scenes content, early access, or exclusive merch. Patrons subscribe for as long as they like, providing steady income. Patreon's audience of over 7 million active patrons means potential exposure to a community already primed to support creators. 6. GoFundMe. GoFundMe hosts campaigns for personal causes, events, projects, and emergencies. Whether you need medical funds, volunteer travel expenses, or startup capital, you create a page, share your story, and set a goal. The site offers no platform fees on donations in many countries, meaning more of each dollar goes to you. Its simple interface and global reach make it easy to attract kind-hearted donors worldwide. 7. Biglist.com. Biglist.com is a free platform for urgent needs: food, clothing, shelter, and education. You post your request, cash or in-kind support like groceries or school supplies, and donors in your area can respond. It's ideal for those who need non-monetary help. A neighbor might deliver meals, donate clothes, or tutor your kids. Big List's community focus makes it a grassroots way to connect with local helpers. 8. Fundable. Fundable caters to startups and small businesses seeking investment or pre-orders. Entrepreneurs create profiles outlining their product or service, set funding goals, and offer rewards like early bird pricing or equity shares. Accredited investors and customers browse by category: tech, retail, food, and back the most promising ideas. Fundable's professional network increases credibility and funding potential for serious ventures. 9. Fund My Travel. Fund My Travel covers domestic and international trips, leisure, work, study, volunteering, or family emergencies. You launch a campaign detailing your travel purpose, budget, and itinerary, then share it. Donors support your journey with small contributions. Whether you're backpacking through Europe, attending a conference, or rushing home for a loved one's emergency, Fund My Travel turns your wanderlust or urgent trip into a community-backed adventure. 10. Kickstarter. Kickstarter is the king of creative crowdfunding: films, games, art, design, and technology. Projects run on an all-or-nothing model. You set a funding goal and deadline. If you hit it, you get the money. If not, no funds change hands. Backers receive rewards, products, experiences, or exclusive access. With over $7 billion raised across 241,000 projects, Kickstarter's large, engaged audience makes it a top choice for innovative ideas. 11. Crowdfunder. Crowdfunder connects entrepreneurs with investors and community backers. Whether launching a new restaurant, funding a children's book, or expanding an existing business, you create a pitch page, set equity or reward terms, and attract capital. Accredited investors can co-invest, while everyday backers pre-order products or receive perks. Crowdfunders' focus on equity crowdfunding opens doors to larger funding rounds for high-growth ventures. 12. Ulily. Ulily, pronounced U-Lily, is a global crowdfunding hub for diverse projects, technology, food, social impact, and more. Creators build campaign pages with detailed project descriptions, budgets, and timelines. Supporters browse by category and geography, pledging funds in exchange for updates or rewards. Ulily's curated approach and emphasis on storytelling help standout campaigns attract backers who share their passion. 13. Spark. Seed and Spark specializes in film and television projects. Filmmakers create campaigns to fund production, distribution, and marketing. You set funding goals, offer tiered perks like digital downloads, set visits or producer credits, and engage with a community of cinephiles. With over $49 million raised, Seed and Spark supports projects from indie shorts to feature films, giving storytellers a dedicated platform to bring their vision to life. 14. Circle Up. Circle Up focuses on consumer brands, food, wellness, beauty, and beyond. Emerging companies connect with accredited investors through equity crowdfunding. You submit a business profile, growth plans, and financials. Circle Up matches you with backers who fuel your expansion. Its specialized network and data-driven approach increase your chances of securing capital for scaling production, marketing, and distribution. 15. Rocket Hub. Rocket Hub serves entrepreneurs, artists, and community initiatives alike. You create a campaign page, set funding goals, and choose between reward-based or equity-based models. Projects range from public art installations to tech prototypes. Rocket Hub's flexible structure and supportive community help diverse creators secure funding for everything from albums to urban gardens. 16. GoFundMe. GoFundMe is the world's largest social fundraising platform. Whether you need medical expenses, tuition, pet surgery, or disaster relief, you launch a campaign in minutes. Donors from around the globe can contribute via credit card or PayPal, and GoFundMe's trusted brand encourages generosity. Millions of people have raised billions, making it the go-to for personal causes. 17. Rockstar Grant. Finally, the Rockstar Grant is my channel's own initiative. We award $10,000 or $50,000 monthly based on view counts and community impact. 6 recipients so far have used these funds to launch businesses, fund education, and cover emergency expenses. To apply, watch our channel's grant announcement, follow the submission guidelines, and pitch your cause. This is free money powered by our community's support, and it could be yours next. That's 16 ways to access genuine, no-strings-attached funding from generous backers around the world. Remember, honesty, clarity, and a compelling story are your best tools. Write a concise pitch, set realistic goals, and share widely on social media, email, and community forums. If you approach each platform with sincerity, you'll maximize your chances of getting the help you need. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling us which platform you'll try first. Share this video with friends and family because everyone deserves a chance at free money when life gets tough. Go claim what's yours and walk good.